see, I always do appreciate the help. I always have friends that come out and help me load the car, unload it, guide me down the track, etc. And I've been really grateful for that. But it hasn't always been that way, and it won't always be that way. It's nobody else's responsibility except mine to make sure that this car is ready for racing. The last thing I want to do is go out there and have problems at an event. Not that it doesn't happen, but that's the last thing you want, and the only way to avoid that is to test. That's what I'm doing today, because like I said, ultimately it just falls on me, so we got work to do. Ready to test, and ran into Josh with his Turbo Trans Am. He's coming too. What's up, Josh?
What's up, people? Hi, people.
So we're both here, both gonna get them lined out and tested and correct. And if everything goes good, maybe he'll give me a shot at that car today, but we'll have to see. Turbo, twin turbo.
More professional version of this car.
I thought it was a single turbo setup. I guess not.
It was for a while.
Oh, okay.
It was.
Twin
And then
turbies.
I maxed the single turbo out and only made 29 pounds.
Twinskies. Running
Only
Twinskies.
29.
What do you know? Oh man. I feel like I'm gonna get confused in which car I need to get into. Oh, look who showed up. My buddy Hayden. He's here. He's back. He's back with the crew. Really, he only showed up to look at that Supra that's back there.
Literally the only.
But that, what is that? A big block Hemi, I think.
Yeah.
That's cool. Thanks for showing up, though.
No, you're welcome.
Appreciate it. Don't look at it.
I don't intend to help at all.
Don't look at it till later, so that you can hang around for a while. This is Matt, and he's got the badass TA. We're gonna touch on that in a later video, but we're ice. We're ready. There's a lot of F bodies, a lot of fast F bodies here. So we're gonna go first, do our testing thing, and then we're gonna help Josh after my run. So that's the plan. Let's go get it. I gave it 1 degree, only 1 degree. I was like, come on, just give me this 1 degree. That's all I changed, and it stood it up. Stood it up, came down, I got back in it, and it tried to stand back up again. So we're gonna put the degree back in it. I'm gonna mess with the shock settings, and we're gonna try it again and see. The good thing is that there's no ignition brake, there's nothing like that, so it's rolling good down the track. It only did a 5.7 at 128, but I was in and out of it quite a bit, so I'm not disappointed. That's a good shakedown pass. We're gonna look at data, we're gonna get Josh going, and then we'll go again. All right, so you saw what I did. You know the track's working. How you feeling about this pass?
Optimistic.
Yeah?
Optimistic.
That's good to hear. I think it'll roll out. I think it'll hook. We'll find out. If not, I'm gonna get underneath it. I'm gonna change all your settings to the settings I have.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah. what's going on because for some reason the trans brake didn't hold. So we'll have to figure that out and see if we can get him back to make another pass. Come to find out, Josh actually hit his boost cut on his Holly ECU system. So that's why he was having trouble, and he accidentally let go of the trans brake. So we're gonna get him ironed out real quick. Mr. Flash W6 came today, so we're gonna see what he's got to offer, and I'm gonna make a pass for shortly. That always seems to be the problem with this car. I can't ever get it tamed enough to get fast out of the hole. Whether it's gearing, some people say transmission gearing, or whatever, we need to figure it out because doing wheelies is not gonna get me where I wanna be. But for now, we're gonna do one more hit. I did make some changes in the timing and the boost curve. I also played with the suspension a little bit, so hopefully if this thing just stays calm, I think we can leave out of here on a good note for tonight. That's it. Let's go get it. One, 2, 6, 60 foot. That's what I was trying to come out here to kill without picking up the wheels, and we did that. That was a pass. Came with a goal in mind and we crushed it. From here, it's just time to turn up the boost in the big end and let it eat a little bit. We do have the boost turned down. We don't have it where I usually have it when I'm running A4s because that wasn't the point today. Like I said, we were working on short games, 60-foot times, and we came, the car didn't pick up the wheels, and it hooked and just shot out like a bullet. So that's it for tonight. Both of the cars, both Josh's car and my car, are leaving on a good note. A little surprise next week, but from there, the only thing left to do is get ready for streetcar takeover Tulsa. So I'll leave you there. Let's get to work.